Happy BSNL Day. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, that is BSNL, is an Indian state-owned telecommunication company headquartered in New Delhi, India. It was incorporated by Department of Telecommunications, Ministry of Communications, Government of India on 1st October 2000. That is the day is celebrated today. It provides mobile, voice and internet services through its nationwide telecommunications network across India. It is the largest telecommunication network company in India with more than 60% market share and fourth largest wireless telecommunications operator. It is a public sector company. Industry is telecommunication industry. Founded 1st October 2000. Headquarters situated in New Delhi. Area served all over India. Key person is Mr. P.K. Purwar, CMD. Services: fixed line telephones, mobile phone, broadband, internet televisions, IPTV. History of telecommunications in India. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited is India's oldest communication company, and its history can be traced back to the British India. The foundation of telecom network in India was laid by the British sometimes in 19th century during the British era. 1850, the first telegraph line was established between Calcutta and Diamond Harbour. The British East India Company started using the telegraph in 1851 and till 1854 telegraph lines were laid across the country. In 1854 the telegraph services was open to the public and the first telegram was sent from Mumbai to Pune. In 1885 the Indian Telegraph Act was passed by the British Imperial Legislative Council. After the bifurcation of P&T department in 1980, the creation of Department of Telecom eventually led to the emergence of the state-owned telegraph and telephone company, which led to foundation of BSNL. It continued the telegraph services in India until it shut down the telegraph services completely on 15 July 2000. On the happy occasion of BSNL Day, we wish BSNL and its employees a happy BSNL Day and let it progress more and more and make more profit and do service to the public in India as well as pan India, pan world. So let us wish a happy BSNL to each and everyone. All the best.